You made it! Now the party can get started. Welcome to HeyAkilahP TV, and I'm your host, Akilah, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at HeyAkilahP.com. Now, I help visionary leaders be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. And speaking of Ontraport, that is the star of the show here at HeyAkilahP TV, because it is my goal to help you to be able to master Ontraport so that it can fully support you in your business. But don't worry, as we travel along this journey, we are going to take a couple trips off the beaten path to talk about other tools, tips, and tricks as it relates to systems, automation, and all the other things you need to dominate the back end of your business. But to make sure that you don't miss out on anything, it's time for you to become a part of the #HeyAkilahP gang. And if you don't know what that stands for Hey Akilahp Peeps. It's pretty simple, right? And it's only a couple letters away from being happy. So again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the #HeyAkilahP gang. And I welcome you once again to HeyAkilahP TV, and I will see you in the next video.